Hey, what's up YouTube? It's James here, back at it again. So today we're going to try to fill some holes that I got in this aluminum boat. This is my 14-foot John boat. I tried air chisel to tighten up some rivets, and I ended up making it even worse. So I got about 4 holes in the boat now that I'm going to try to use this looks like benzomatic aluminum rods. I got a benzomatic matte gas torch, the yellow one from Home Depot if you decide to go get one. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to patch up some of these holes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and we're going to weld this hole. Then we're going to probably go ahead and touch up these 3 holes here. If this one comes out okay, we're going to go ahead and touch up these 3 holes. Just get a little tighter seal. I do have another hole that I created, and that's about right here. So you can see another one. I'm gonna come and zoom in a little bit closer, so you can see what I ended up doing. Trying to again, like I said, I was trying to use the air chisel to push a new rivet down in, and ended up ruining it and making it even worse. So I'm gonna patch the hole and then seal the little tiny cracks. So we got the benzomatic aluminum rods. This was about $6, I'd say, from Home Depot. And then we have this Matte Pro. So this is the yellow one. We're gonna use this for the heat. These rods say once they get up to about 750 degrees Fahrenheit, they should start melting. So we should be all right being able to use this torch. This is about $60, and these are about 6 from Home Depot. So first thing I got to do is I got to clean this up. All right, I do know that we want to get all this paint and whatever cleaning, whatever surface they prepare this with. We want to get this all the way down to the bare aluminum. So we're going to go ahead and hit that. There you go, nice and prepared. All right, let's come back with the next step. For our next step, basically, YouTube, I'm gonna wipe this down. I got some clean strip acetone. We're gonna go ahead and wipe this area. We're gonna get a little towel, hit it with some acetone, wipe everything off, clean it up, and then we'll start the welding process. So I forgot to mention, I'm doing this outside, of course. Because they say, you know, this acetone is some nasty stuff. So went and put some gloves on. I'm doing this outside in the fresh air. Go ahead and wipe this down a little bit. Like I said, get all that paint and clean up the surface a little. You know, try not to inhale this acetone stuff. Not good for the lungs. So all right, so that should be good right there. So we're not going to rush the braising process. So we're gonna take our time. It's not to be done. Have to be super fast. Basically, we're gonna heat this up, and then we're gonna take the rod. We're gonna brush right over top of it. We're not gonna heat the rod. We're gonna see what happens when we just brush over it after heating up the surface. All right, so let's see. Folks, there you have it. Say that what took about 10-15 minutes. I mean 2-3 minutes. That's nice and solid. Still hot, but it's nice and solid. I think we got it. Woo, hot. Keep your hand off there. But as you can see, the hole is now filled. Let's hit another one.